Take a look at this Hello World script written in Rust. It correctly prints out Hello World. There's seemingly nothing special about it, except for the fact that I don't actually have Rust installed in my home directory. So, how did I do this? Well, I used this really useful tool called DevBox. It's very similar to Nix shells, but simpler. Imagine you wanted to try out Rust, but you weren't sure you actually wanted to stick with it. So you just use DevBox to create a container in a specific folder for a project. Then you run a couple of commands and bam, you have a development environment. Now here's the really cool part. Imagine you now want to give this project to a friend so he can try it out. Your friend will then be able to run this command and he'll have the exact same Rust setup that you did, all thanks to the fact that the DevBox config is all stored inside of this JSON file. But why would you care about Rust being installed on your PC? Well, I have a ton of things installed on my PC that I don't use, and even when I uninstall them, there's always traces left behind. With DevBox, I can just delete the directory I was using to store that project, and I'll have a much cleaner PC. This is what I'll be using to set up tutorials for you guys in the future.